I-CAN Comprehensive Personality Development Program by S. Bharat Kumar.
We welcome the audience. We are going to give you a protein capsule.
Wow, protein is energy for the health. In I-CAN, what is the protein, sir?
This protein is called motivation.
Motivation. What is motivation?
Motivation is driving someone to perform, triggering a person or a group of people to do better, inducing them or an individual for better results, making someone to realize what exactly he or she or what they are, biasing a set of people or an individual to increase the productivity. Motivation is normally increases the productivity of a person or a group for better results. It is to enhance the performance of an individual or a group.
So, how important the motivation is?
We say it is a lifetime requirement because motivation is not a school time requirement or a college time requirement or during your work period or during your career. It is a lifetime requirement because you may have a career till 50th year or 51st year or 55th year, 60th year. But even in the general life, you require motivation to carry yourself out. So, motivation is a lifetime requirement. Because even after 60 years, you may want to do something extra what you have not done. Or even for your personal life, motivation is very much required. It is much wanted one for the students because the human performance is enhanced if they get motivated. So it is a lifetime requirement. I'll tell you one small example. Hope we are all watching cricket.
Yes.
And many of the audience must be a fan of Virendra Sehwag and Sachin Tendulkar, right? Sehwag got motivated just by seeing Sachin Tendulkar. During his Ranji Trophy period, or he was playing for a normal club cricket, he used to watch TV. And the way Sachin plays, he got motivated out of it. And literally you see some of the shots, whatever he plays, and he openly admitted in a forum that I am just getting motivated whenever I see Sachin Tendulkar. Now his career become cricket and he is a cricketing icon now. So motivation plays a very major role and an important role when it comes to performance enhancement. And once when you say performance, whether you perform in the school, perform in the college, perform during your tenure or perform during the career, it is a lifetime requirement. So, motivation is very, very important.
What are all the scopes in the motivation, sir?
Motivation is a leadership skill. What it does, say for example, if X person is motivating Y, the X is known as a leader and he is creating Y as a leader. So, it is a leadership skill and it is very much required to create the next generation, particularly when it comes to academics, students, counseling. It is a must that you are creating the next generation. So obviously it is a leadership skill. The scope is very, very simple. It is definitely a leadership skill.
What are all the components of the motivation, sir?
Motivation is not a job actually. It is a process. It has so many components to be covered. So many steps are there. But in general, if you take motivation, you have a person who is the leader or an individual. He is known as motivator and he has to motivate an individual or a set of people. They are called people need to be motivated. So somebody is acting as a motivator. Somebody need to be motivated. This entire process is called motivation.
Okay, how the system functions?
Fantastic. As I said, motivation is a process. So the entire system is divided as a step-by-step procedure. First thing, motivation is more dealt with psychology of the human. So you have to understand the psychology of the people who need to be motivated. Sometimes, you have a person, you say all the pluses of him, he get motivated. Sometimes you see in your real time life, you go and tell to a person, don't do this, they will do it. It is the other way of inducing nice things. So you must understand the psychology of a person or the crowd need to be motivated. And somebody may come to you, sir, I have got a problem, I need a little bit of motivation, I am getting dejected. In the form of counseling, sometimes motivation happens. So in such a case, first what all you need to do is that listen to them very carefully. Analyze the barrier. he or she must be lagging somewhere, or he or she may not be lagging, but thinking that they are running short of something, they may make a mistake. They may not be performing well. Unwanted, unforced error. So in such a case, you just analyze the barrier and just inform them. Don't try to teach them by that time. While you motivate, you don't need to teach them. Motivation and teaching are different. So during the time of motivation, you don't need to teach anybody. All you need to do is that just inform them where they can really, fine tune themselves. Or give them the capsule stating that, come on, it is nothing. You can definitely do this. That is what motivation. If you keep on telling them, then that will become like a teaching or a monitoring process. So during the motivation process, all you need to do is that give them the little bit of confidence, little bit of energy level. That is what we call it as capsule.
Okay, so how important the listening in motivation?
Fantastic. I want to take the entire audience or the last episode. We dealt with learn to learn module.
Yes.
In that module, we clearly emphasized how important listening in a classroom. Because if you listen, then you understand. If you understand, then you analyze. So, listening is also a lifetime skill that is more suited and much wanted one while you motivate a set of people. So, if you are not listening, you cannot understand their psychology. If you are not understanding the psychology, you cannot analyze the situation. If you are not analyzing the situation, you cannot motivate. It's very simple, like doctor's job. You are just stepping into the doctor's clinic. If the doctor is not diagnosing what is happening, the tablet cannot be given. That is the reason we told, it is a capsule. This capsule can be prescribed only after evaluating you, only after understanding, only after analyzing. The capsule can be prescribed. Otherwise, this capsule, it is not like a green color capsule for all the black color people. It's not like a red color capsule for all the white colored people. It's as simple as that. So, you need to listen. Otherwise, you cannot motivate.
Well, sir, what are all the effects of motivation?
Well, it is clearly evident that motivator is the leader. It's a simple effect. If you are a motivator, ultimately what it means? You are a leader. This is number one. And above all, as I said earlier, the leader is again created. A leader is creating another leader. And the performance is enhanced. So it is a performance enhancement system. That is the effect. Productivity is more concerned with motivation. These are the effects of motivation.
So if one don't have a motivator around, then what to do, sir? What he can do or she can do?
It's an excellent question again. Often people tell, sir, there is nobody to motivate me. Say for example, sir, I belongs to place X. Now I am studying in a place Y. My daddy is not around. My mummy is not around. During my school days, my daddy used to say this. During my college days, my mummy used to instruct me. They motivate me. They give me the energy. They give me the confidence. But I am actually missing them. All these steps are there. Of course, people may say that there is a phone connection, there is a mobile connection. But still, if a motivator of its own caliber is not around you, that is definitely a problem. Now, you think of the word that is called self-motivation. You have to motivate yourself. So, motivation is a different criteria. Self-motivation is a different criteria. We are not supposed to, confuse between these two. Motivation is done by someone else. Self-motivation is motivating yourself.
Okay, so how to motivate yourself or ourselves? Is it possible?
Self-motivation is definitely possible. Simply, I want all the audience to close their eyes and imagine a cricket match. How many times you see a batsman is playing a shot and the batsman misses the ball? Immediately, they will talk to themselves, focus, and they will play the shot once again. You can even sometimes literally see a batsman talking to himself. there won't be anybody. There are other 11 people who belong to a different country or a different team is there. So it looks little bit awkward, but at the same time it is definitely not awkward because he is talking to himself. He is motivating himself to concentrate more, to focus more on the ball, not to play a loose shot. So it is a common practice I would like to emphasize. Self-motivation is definitely possible. All you need to do is that talk to yourself. You talk to yourself. If you are not talking to yourself, who else will talk? You are the best judge of yourself. You know what is required for you. You know what is your like. You know what is your dislike. You know what you want to do. You know what you want to become. You know what is your motto. What is the vision of you. So talk to yourself. Once when you talk to yourself, self-motivation comes automatically. Because what happens? Once when you talk to yourself, you understand yourself better. You are not here to play a losing battle. You can definitely win. So self-motivation is 100% possible.
Okay, so how the self-motivation works here?
That is where the motivation by a motivator and self-motivation differs. In this process, what happens? In the process of motivation, the motivator is analyzing you. You are not doing it. Since you don't have anyone to motivate you, now you have been forced to motivate yourself. That is what we call it as self-motivation. During the process of self-motivation, first thing, be open. First thing, you understand and admit that something is lagging. You are falling short of something. That is the reason you cannot perform. That you first admit, understand, because reality is always reality. So understand. Now, this will take you to the next step. What? You will find yourself where you lag. Once when you find yourself that where you are lagging and how you are lagging, then automatically your brain will take you to the remedy part. That this I am not supposed to do. Say for example, you want to meet a person for a reason, for a specific reason. 3 times you are going there. And all the 3 times you are 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes delayed. Right. Now, normally you get dejected. You are delayed and the person is out now. You could not meet him. So now you come back, sit. What is the first reality? You are not meeting him. And what is the second reality? You are falling short of something. And what is the third reality? You are not maintaining the time properly. Once when you understand this, next time what you will do? You will definitely
Go at the correct time.
or you will be 5 minutes earlier. It all depends on the vigor in which you motivate yourself. So the self-motivation process is also the same, but a little bit on the tougher side, because during the process of motivation, somebody is doing, you are doing for yourself. That is the process of self-motivation.
Okay, so how long one need to be motivated? Is the motivation a continuous process or else?
I think, as you said very rightly, motivation is a continuous process. Again, just imagine a situation. Now you are doing your school. You want to be the first rank holder, right? So you are competing within your school, and now you are entering into your college life. You are aiming for a university rank, where you are competing with a set of, a group of colleges comes under the university. So the motivation, it's a process. So it is actually started in your school, during your childhood days. It is actually carrying out till college. If we think that, oh, this is the end, it's not. You want to get a good job, so you need to motivate yourself, or somebody has to do that. And then once when you enter into the job, you want to get your promotion done. You are aiming for your promotion. So then you need to be motivated. Once when you get the promotion, there are the same ranked people, 4 people may be there, and you want to show to your company or you want to show to your organization that, I am the number 1 out of the 4. So you need to be motivated. So motivation is a lifetime process.
In a classroom, we have nearly 50 students, 60 students, but all the students don't have the equal knowledge, talent. At the same time, we have to motivate each and every person. Then it will differ for each and every student. How can we manage it?
Very, very clearly evident that you understand the psychology and give the capsule.
But we have
As
to
I said
categorize.
earlier, it is you need a personal counseling for them. Your motivation cannot happen in a crowd in 1 hour time, because in a set of crowd you may have people A, people B, people C, people D. Teaching them is different, or motivating them is different. These are all two different facets. Teaching is a common syllabus. Motivation is based on the psychology. So you need to have a personal counseling with them. You need to interact with them personally, or at least you need to segregate the group and do it. That is the best way of getting the work done.
Okay, sir. Well, in ICANN program, we are talking about the motivation. At the same time, we have to see the next side, the demotivation.
Demotivation is there. In a forum, while we talk about all the good things. That is what motivation or self-motivation. But in the forum, if there is a jealous, if there is a clash, then ultimately the demotivation happens. Right? It is almost like giving poison to a person. So, if there is a poison, there must be an antibiotic for it. Again, what is the antibiotic capsule for this? For a demotivation injury, there must be an antibiotic. What is that antibiotic? It's nothing but motivation. So, the more you are demotivated by yourself or by others, you need a motivator, or you have to motivate yourself. There is no other go. So, if you ask me to sum up today's topic, motivation is a much wanted one for anyone. It's not a timely solution. It is a lifetime requirement. Motivation is basically to enhance the performance of a person or a set of people. It is definitely important throughout your lifetime. And the scope of the motivation is, it is almost a leadership skill, because you are creating a leader. You are driving someone to perform. So definitely motivation is a leadership skill. You can be motivated by a person who is known as a motivator, or you can do it by yourself if you don't have anyone to motivate you. That is what we have seen as self-motivation. Self-motivation is nothing but talking to your own self by understanding, analyzing, admitting, and correcting yourself. Automatically, it takes you to the level of better results. Above all, you need to listen to yourself or to the people who need to be motivated. Unless and otherwise you listen, you cannot understand. Once when you understand, you need to analyze. If you do so, the motivation process happens smoothly for better results. And the effect is nothing but, it takes you to a level of a normal person to a professional person, a normal person to a leader caliber, and where you can create so many other leaders, and it enhances your performance, it increases your productivity. And in case if you are demotivated, the one and only medicine is nothing but motivation. There is nothing else is left. You're left with no choice. So you need a motivator, or you need to motivate yourself again, even if you are demotivated. And motivating yourself is nothing but you talk to yourself. Please do talk to yourself every day. While you go to bed, the tailor-made tip, what I would like to give for a motivation is that every day the audience, whoever listen to this, while you go to your bed, kindly close your eyes before you go to sleep. Think what you have done today and how I can better myself. I was talking to X person. He was not convinced. Okay, if I go there tomorrow, I'll definitely convince him. Probably I'll get 2 more points added today. I learned 2 points today. Tomorrow definitely there is a room for improvement. So please talk to yourself. So automatically you are motivating yourself. That is what self-motivation is all about. Be open, be receptive. Then ultimately you will definitely deliver the goods and produce better results. Thank you.
Really, we are also motivated by your this session, sir. We are happy, and I hope in coming week we will meet with another interesting topic in ICANN program. Thank you very much for your kind.
Definitely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.